In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress using HostGator's cPanel. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have WordPress installed and ready for customization. First, let's get started by logging into your HostGator cPanel. If you're not familiar with cPanel, it's a web hosting dashboard where you can manage your website resources. Getting logged in is simple. Head over to the HostGator website, and at the top right corner, you'll see the Login button. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your cPanel. Once you're inside, you'll find a vast array of icons and options to work with. But today, we're interested in the Softaculous Apps Installer. Locate the Softaculous Apps Installer. It's usually found under the Software section, marked with a colorful icon. Softaculous is a fantastic tool that allows you to automate the installation of web apps like WordPress without diving into the technical depths yourself. Once you've opened Softaculous, you'll see a wide variety of applications available for installation. But don't get overwhelmed. We're focusing on WordPress today, so let's find WordPress in the search bar of the Softaculous interface. After locating WordPress, click on the Install button next to it. Now, we're in the installation interface for WordPress. This is where you'll put in some essential details about your new website. You'll see a form asking for various site and admin details. Make sure you choose the domain you wish to install WordPress on and verify it's correct before proceeding. Next, in the site settings, you can assign a name for your site, something unique that represents what your site is all about. You'll also need to fill in the admin account information. Create a username and a strong password, something secure that you won't easily forget. Enter your email address. This is crucial for password recovery and administrative notifications, so double check it for accuracy. Once you have all your details filled out, you're ready to initiate the installation. Click on the Install button at the bottom of the form. Now this is the part where you sit back and relax for a moment. The installation process is quick, and within a short span, you'll receive confirmation that WordPress has been successfully installed. The Softaculous installer will provide you with a URL link to access your new WordPress site and its dashboard. With the installation complete, you can dive into your WordPress dashboard and start customizing your site to fit your vision. Here, you're free to explore themes, set up your pages, and create content. The WordPress dashboard is intuitive and packed with features, making it a powerful tool for all your web creation needs. Enjoy exploring plugins and settings at your own pace while getting creative, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've installed WordPress on your HostGator hosting account using cPanel. With your site ready, you're all set to build an incredible online presence. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.